Okay, so Cole just asked me how to get a picture taken if you're just using an actual photograph for your senior pictures. And here's what I want to show you. Okay, here's my cell phone, and there's an app called Office Lens. So when you push, first you have to download it, but when you push Office Lens, what happens is it's going to make a box around whatever picture it is you want to take, and you'll just push the button as if you're taking a picture. Okay, and now you're looking at my cell phone now. Okay, so not at the picture. And what you can do is you can go to filters right here, and you can look at them, and because sometimes it looks better one way or the other. And I like this one better. I know it's a little shiny right here for you guys, but it's just because of how we're filming. And then when you're finished with that, you push the arrow right here, and then you push done. And then what I do is I just save it to my photo library. Now it says it's in my photo library, and then if I go to my photo library, it's going to be the last picture I took, and then you guys can share it that way, whether you share it through an email or, well, you can't airdrop to me, but you could send it to an email. So that's a quick tutorial on how to use Office Lens. I have an iPhone, so I get it from my app store, but I bet all your other phones have that on their app store too. All right, take care, and I hope to see your senior pictures soon. I love you. I miss you already, from Mrs. Peterson.